A day after mega Ram Mandir push by the Modi government seeking release of excess undisputed Ayodhya land to the original owners ahead of 2019 polls, the Nirmohi Akhada may file an objection in the Supreme Court opposing the government's move on Ram Temple. Nirmohi Akhada's lawyers have claimed that the centre has no right to file a writ petition and that the government should have consulted the Akhada before filing it. Remember, the Modi government urged the top court to remove Supreme Court's imposed status quo on the undisputed land. The centre stated that the disputed land is only 0.313 acres. Now, the centre's move comes after repeated delays in the Supreme Court in hearing the case.
We don't know right now what they want to do because our own lands were there at that point of time which were acquired. In fact, there were 17 temples which were there, which were acquired by the government by that acquisition act. Now, if they want to do away with the act and as a consequence release the properties from acquisition and consequently the properties coming back to the original owners, we have no difficulty. And what happens to the properties or the buildings, the structures which were there, which were demolished after the acquisition that were demolished, whether they would restore back and restore the status quo ante.
Let's now listen into some of the political reactions coming in.
क्योंकि ये केंद्र सरकार का ही अधिकार है कि बाकी बची जमीन जो है वो मालिकों को वापस करे, इसका निर्णय तो सरकार को करना है। उसके लिए परमिशन कोर्ट की मांगी है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि ये परमिशन मिलेगी और ये जमीन मुक्त हो जाएगी। जमीन मुक्त होने से बहुत सारा मार्ग प्रशस्त हो जाएगा।
कांग्रेस सरकारों ने साजिश किया था, इस भूमि को हड़पने का भी काम किया था और हम ये शुरुआती एक बड़ी कदम है। हम भगवान राम के लिए भव्य मंदिर का निर्माण बहुत जल्द आरंभ हो, इसके लिए हम समझते हैं ये बड़ा एक ऐतिहासिक कदम है।
And former director of Archaeological Survey of India, Syed Jamal Hassan, claims to have found temple remnants from the disputed site during an excavation. Let's listen into this conversation.
आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया ने वहाँ पे खुदाई की है। वो पॉटरी सबसे ज़्यादा मिली है और टेराकोटा फिगरिन्स हैं, एनिमल फिगरिन्स भी हैं, ह्यूमन फिगरिन्स भी हैं, बहुत सारे आर्किटेक्चर मेंबर्स भी हैं और बीट्स हैं, सेमी प्रेसियस बीट्स हैं और इसके अलावा कुछ कॉइन्स हैं, एक दो टुकड़ों में इंस्क्रिप्शन भी हैं और बाकी आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं। देखिए, ये तो ज़रूर सही बात है, किसी मंदिर के ये अवशेष हैं जो 11वीं 12वीं शताब्दी के मंदिर के ये अवशेष हैं जो आप पिलर दिखा रहे हैं या जो आप नाला दिखा रहे हैं, ये 11वीं 12वीं में यानी राजपूत पीरियड के किसी टेम्पल के स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं। लेकिन देखिए, रीयूज़ होते हैं मटेरियल, कहीं भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है।
वहाँ पर यह भी कहा जा रहा है पिलर्स के अवशेष हैं।
देखिए, पिलर के अवशेष बिल्कुल हो सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन ये एक समझने की चीज़ है कि ये ब्रिक का स्ट्रक्चर है कि इसकी साइज़ देखिए कितनी है, इसका जो प्लान आप देख रहे हैं। लेकिन इतने बड़े स्टोन का जो पिलर दिखाई दे रहा है, ये किसी बड़े मॉन्यूमेंट्स का जो 11वीं 12वीं शताब्दी का है।
तो कहीं ना कहीं ये कहा जा सकता है कि वहाँ पर कुछ इस तरीके के स्ट्रक्चर
हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे इस तरह की चीज़ें हों, लेकिन जो आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंस है ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम पूरे तौर से इस बात को साबित करता है।
तो कहीं ना कहीं ये सारे साक्ष्य अदालत को पेश किए गए।
हाँ, बिल्कुल सारे साक्ष्य अदालत को पेश हैं, पूरी रिपोर्ट सबमिट की थी।
Now, facing the pressure from the seers to RSS to even allies like the Shiv Sena for not doing enough on the Ram Mandir issue, this move by the Modi government has certainly clean bowled many questioning the government. And the opposition, however, is questioning the timing.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में भी कहा है कि संविधान की मर्यादाओं में हम इसका समाधान करेंगे।
Less than a month after Prime Minister Modi promised a constitutional solution to the shrill chorus for a Ram Mandir at the disputed Ayodhya site, the centre has now come out with a mega Mandir push, moving the Supreme Court for return of surplus land adjoining the 0.313 acres of disputed site to the original owners, the Ram Janmabhoomi Nyas.
The central government is not touching at this moment to the disputed structure where it was 0.3 acres of land, where the title suit is pending. That we are not touching at the moment. We are doing this, giving back the land for Ram Janmabhoomi Nyas and other owners.
The government move less than 100 days before general elections sparked a flurry of reactions from the stakeholders.
I am surprised that some people are objecting to an application. We would have been happy if it had happened earlier. But then, whenever it has happened, it's a good move.
तो हम तो अपना जवाब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में रखेंगे ही। इसके मस्जिद के 3 तरफ तो हमारी कब्रिस्तान की ज़मीन है, उसके बाद चौथी तरफ भी है, उसके बाद इनकी ज़मीन कहाँ पे है राम जन्मभूमि न्यास की, ये तो अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आएगा, तफसील से जब आएगा तो उस पर बहस होगी।
The move also left the Hindu litigants in disarray.
अगर ये फैसला हाई कोर्ट ने या सरकार ने लिया है तो जो वर्तमान जमीन है सरकार के अधीन वो अगर न्यास को मिलती है तो उससे हम काम आरंभ कर सकते हैं।
और जो जमीन सरप्लस है एक्वायर्ड उसको अपने बेनिफिशियल एंजॉयमेंट के लिए इस्तेमाल करें। अगर उनसे कुछ छूट जाए न करना चाहें तब ओरिजिनल ओनर को रिवर्ट होगी।
While the opposition saw a clear communal plot to influence the 2019 elections.
आज भारत सरकार ने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो अर्जी लगाई है, मैंने सुबह ही कह दिया कि हम उसका अभिनंदन करते हैं और देश के सौहार्द के लिए मुझे लगता है कि यह कदम आवश्यक था। मैं और हमारी पूरी सरकार इस पूरे निर्णय का हृदय से स्वागत करते हैं।
Honorable Uddhav ji has criticized, very severely criticized, and he has said it, that the mandir wahi banayenge, tarikh nahi batayenge. That sort of criticism he has done. How many people died in Sharyu? Have you ever thought of it? Do you remember it? Then the people who died for the Ram temple, don't you feel it is a top priority? It should have been done by the government, and it is. I still feel it is the duty of the government, not of the court.
With just 4 months for the general elections, the centre is feeling the pressure from a restive saffron parivar which wants temple at all costs. Is the centre's move a desperate one to placate its biggest constituency? Bureau Report, India Today.
Anisha Mathur, my colleague, now joins me for more. Anisha, the fact that in the middle of all that talk that we'd have to wait for the court's decision before we set in an ordinance to this mega mandir push by the BJP. Now, this is a big move by the government. However, with the Nirmohi Akhada going ahead and opposing that writ petition, how much, that becomes a deterrent when it comes to this particular mandir push as far as the centre is concerned right before the elections?
Well, Griha, this is not about who is opposing it and who is allowing it. The question is whether the Supreme Court will actually allow it, because remember, there is a stay order that now the government wants removed. The stay order was passed in 2003 for a reason. The court had said at the time that this what the government is calling extra land is also an intrinsic part of ensuring that the entire dispute is resolved amicably. So will the Supreme Court now actually agree with the courts, with the government's proposal is something we'll have to wait and see. In fact, Nirmohi Akhada is one of the claimants to this superfluous land, as the government is calling it. And the Nirmohi Akhada has the objection that why is it that the government is supporting Ram Janmabhoomi Nyas when Ram Janmabhoomi Nyas only had a lease of part of the land from the state government. Nirmohi Akhada is claiming that they own most of the land around the disputed site. And when this entire issue we'll have to wait and see exactly how this is going to play out with other claimants to this particular land coming out. Because remember, it's 68 acres of land that was acquired by the central government in 1993. And right before that, 2.77 acres that was acquired by the state government. And the government at this moment is only talking about 42 acres that is supposedly owned by the Ram Janmabhoomi Nyas. We'll have to see exactly how this is going to play out in court once and if the court agrees to actually hear this matter.
All right, Anisha, thank you so much for joining us with all your details there. Now, moving on, after Sardar Patel, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is now caught in a legacy war between the BJP and the Congress. Both the parties have been trying to stake claim over Mahatma Gandhi's heritage, while Prime Minister Modi, who will be reaching Dandi to inaugurate the Salt Satyagraha Museum, their Congress's Yuva Kranti Yatra will also be culminating today in the national capital after covering 26 states from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. The yatra will pay tribute to Mahatma at the Gandhi Smriti at 30 January mark. So on the 71st death anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to visit Dandi village today. Prime Minister Modi will dedicate to the nation solar-powered National Salt Satyagraha Memorial at Dandi in Gujarat. Prime Minister Modi will also flag off the first international flight for Dubai at Surat Airport. Surat Airport, which is currently spread across an area of 8,000 square meters, has been given funds by the central government to expand to 25,000 square meters. Prime Minister Modi, during his day-long visit, will lay the foundation stone for the extension of terminal building at the airport, and later in the day, the Prime Minister will be addressing youth at an indoor stadium as part of the New India Youth Conclave in Surat.
और ये ऐतिहासिक स्थल को डेवलप करने के लिए कभी कांग्रेस ने कुछ किया नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ने सरकार बनते ही उसके ऊपर ध्यान दिया। 110 करोड़ से ज़्यादा का ग्रांट वहाँ पर देकर उसको डेवलप कर दिया।
जिस प्रकार से एक दांडी एक पूरे भारत में एक आगवी शान बनी है, अलग अलग भावी पीढ़ी के लिए जो इतिहास दांडी में रचा गया है, और प्रधानमंत्री जी गांधी निर्माण दिन के दिन उनका जिस प्रकार से ओपनिंग कर रहे हैं, हमारे बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.